Whakalawhalai atu.
Talofa, Olau Ingoa Miller Basin.
Kia rana tata katoa. Tuku ingoa ko Freya Kirk Masters. We are the student leaders for TBI SIVA 2026.
To me, culture means the connection to my ancestors, my beliefs and heritage.
Culture means being close to my people and knowing where I come from.
We would like to say a big thank you to Mrs. Kaimoana, Mrs. Rhodes Robinson and Angel for playing our instruments. We would also like to say thank you to Shaden, Sammy and Kopu for teaching our bracket.
My message to the group is to have fun, be happy and enjoy yourselves.
My message to the group is to go your hardest, sing your loudest, have fun and bring the energy.
Mua pati TBI. TBI!
Please show some love for Titahi Bay Intermediate Multicultural Group. some noise for Titahi Bay Intermediate Multicultural Group. Awesome. Thank you so much, Titahi Bay Intermediate. Well done, children. This stage is for you, and we honor all the kids who took part today. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on, so please, 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 please put your hands together. Make some noise for Rangikura School Kapa haka.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai, hara mai ki te Kiwa Nui 2026.
Ko Chloe tuku ingoa.
Ko sia toku ingoa.
We acknowledge the mana, whenua, Ngāti Toa Rangatira and the whenua we stand on today.
This year, our kapa haka journey has been about strengthening our connection to te ao Māori and embracing the values that bring us together.
Through waiata, haka and kōrero, we celebrate our whakapapa, honour our tupuna and express the pride we have in who we are.
Kapa haka reminds us that when we stand together, we stand with mana, whanaungatanga and kōtaitanga.
We would like to acknowledge and thank Whae Amelia, Breed Music and Mātua Daz for sharing their knowledge, guidance and passion and for inspiring us to stand proud in who we are.
We also thank our whānau, kaiako and everyone who has supported us throughout this journey.
We are proud Year 7 and 8s from Rangikura School and we are honoured to share our kapa haka performance with you today.
He waka e ke noa, we are all in this waka together. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
Make some noise for Rangikura School Kapa haka. paki-paki for Rangikura Kapa haka. Hey, rawe Ngā mihi to your whānau who supported with a follow-up kapa haka as well, with a haka. Thank you so much, whānau. So much love, so much aroha that was shown to our kids from Rangikura. Ngā mihi. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the vibes up, keep the energy up. Please put your hands together for Tawa Intermediate.
Kia ora, we are Le Waka o Tawa from Tawa Intermediate. Ko Malatuku ingoa, ko Ambrose Luku ingoa, and we are your leaders for Te Kiwa Nui 2026.
We are glad to be back to perform for Te Kiwa Nui 2026, and we're so hyped.
Le Waka o Tawa is the name of our rōpū that symbolises a shared journey of identity, pride and kotahitanga.
The theme is My Culture is Alive. We have chosen a song in our performance that encourages kaitiakitanga,
reminding us that by working together, we can create a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come.
A huge thank you to our amazing teachers, Mrs. Seuli, Miss Mapa, Miss Jonathan, and Whae Liana for giving us this opportunity.
We also want to thank all our whānau, Skylar, Grace and Christina for helping us along this journey.
We can't wait to show you what we have put together. T.I. Scuba!
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Tawa Intermediate! Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Tawa Intermediate. Yee-hee. Beautiful work up there, Tawa Intermediate. Thank you for joining us for another year at Te Kiwa Nui Festival. You all look so beautiful. You all dance so wonderful. Mei taki maata ata waiwalo de maneke. Wonderful. Just before we move ahead, yes, thank you, Tawa. Beautiful work. Please send our thanks to your teachers as well, because what a great decision they made to bring you here. Just another reminder, please, please, please do not cross the barriers, the red barriers, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, we actually do not care who you are anymore. Just joking, just joking. Please, please, please do not cross the barriers. We are breaching health and safety at this point. That goes for the teachers as well. Okay, please do not cross the barriers. We want to have a good day. We want to have a safe day. Please, let's follow the protocols. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're moving on. Please, put your hands together for Titahi Bay Intermediate Kapa haka.
Ko mahina rangi werehe ko tōku ingoa.
Ko te marangi tō tōku ingoa.
And we are the student leaders of Aotearoa Te Kapa Haka o Koanga Umu. To me, culture represents who I am and what I do as a Māori.
What culture means to me is connecting with my ancestors and values. I would like to say a big mahi te hipera and mato tau for taking all the time for us.
My message to the rōpū is to perform like your ancestors are performing with you.
My message to the rōpū is perform good, work hard and smile.
E te whānau ho mai te paki for Titahi Bay Intermediate Kapa haka.
I te tumatanga te kupu. I te atua te kupu. Tana nei ngā mea katoa. Whai kururia ki tona ingoa tapu.
Te whai hanga I te rangi. Nei o kononga e tuahu atu nei. I mua I a koe, kia tuku a koa. Ko wai, mua tapu.
tuana ki ngā iwi katoa. On te motu tene o ka mihi. Ki ngā mata uhua. Haere, haere, haere atura e. Te huri noa ki te tata. Ngā waihotanga iho rātou mā. Tene te kura taku ai. I te mama o titahi e mihi atu anama. Tene koutou. Tene rā koutou katoa. See
and gentlemen, make some noise for Titahi Bay Intermediate Kapa haka. Beautiful haka response from our whānau here on the stands. Thank you so much. And once again, thank you so much, Titahi Bay Intermediate Kapa haka. Ngā mihi kia koutou. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are nearing the end of session 3. Yes, I know it's a sad time for you all. I know we don't want Te Kiwa Nui to end. But that's okay because we have the college round on Friday. So if you haven't purchased your tickets, now college day is running fast. I believe we only have a handful of tickets left. So if you want to get in, please go and purchase ASAP. Hopefully there's still some more left. Thank you so much to our schools who have joined us. Thank you to all our whānau, to all our people here in the audience for joining us today and for supporting our tamariki today. Your investment in your tickets are not in vain. Appreciate you guys. Wonderful turnout. Once again, it is Cook Island Language Week. And what a great week it is to be a Cook Islander. Any Cook Islanders in the house? Yay. Can everybody say kia ora? All right, from our audience, can I hear kia ora? Wow, wow, wow. Now, if you haven't been to the Cook Islands, I urge you, on behalf of the Prime Minister of the Cook Islands, go and visit the Cook Islands. And if you are fortunate enough, go and visit Puka Puka. That's at the top end of the Cook Islands. And I know for sure it's the next best place to heaven. After Aitutaki, yes, way after Aitutaki, because again, we are the next best place to heaven. All right. Hey, so we still got a bit of time to store. Can I just, anyone here session 2? Make some noise. Okay, so if I say this, then you got to respond. Iye, koko, koko, iye, koko. Your turn. Thank you to my mum, the only one responding. Mum, you get VIP for the rest of your life for Te Kiwa Nui Festival. Not only VIP, Nathan will carry you down the stairs to your car after this. Everybody repeat after me. Iye, koko, koko, iye, koko. Oh, iye, koko, koko, iye, koko. Beautiful. So, if you are enjoying any Cook Island item that you ever come across, or once again, if you go and visit the Cook Islands, especially Puka Puka, if you yell out the words "iye koko," they will treat you like the queens and kings you are, okay? So make sure that is your word for the week for Cook Island Language Week. All right, I still got some time. Lucky you. Hey, does anybody know the famous song from Brother Love? If you don't know, then you don't know the Cook Islands. So it's a song, Roi Mata. Can I hear anybody sing that, please? Someone give that gentleman a prize right now. Nathan, that's him right there. Wow, Nathan Lopa, this is the director of Te Kiwa Nui. Please, pokarakara mai, pati pati mai. Nathan, give him a wave. He is going to give you a prize, sir, and I believe it might be a VIP ticket for the college day on Friday. Beautiful. Thank you so much to our uncle over there who sang our Roimata song. All right. Thanks, Uncle Danny. Are we good? 1 minute. Oh, it's all right. It's all right. Okay. I'm going to teach you a phrase in the Cook Islands, okay? Let me go up the stairs so that you can see me. You need to repeat after me. Inangaro. Repeat after me. Ready, set, go. Inangaro. Mātou. Mataora. E. Inangaro. Mātou. Mataora. E. So that means we want everybody happy. I want to be happy. You want to be happy. So that's how we say we want everybody happy. You know the song, We Want Everybody Happy? You know that song? We want everybody happy. Inangaro mataora. Inangaro mataora. Mataora e. That's pretty much it. I'm going to split everyone up. We've got about 30 seconds. They need to buy time. I'm cool with that. I'm good at talking. So I'm going to split everyone up. You guys are going to be inangaro. Can you say inangaro? Wow, there's only a small group of them and they're the loudest. Inangaro. This group, everybody here, you're going to say mataora. Hey, that's the one, mataora. These people up here, hey, sorry. My beautiful family up here, beautiful people of Porirua, you're going to say mātou. One more time. VIP, you're going to say e. One more time. So when I point to you, you're going to say your words. Let's start with our kids here. Give it some alofas. It's Cook Island language week. Ready, get set, go. Eh, when I point to the stars, that's you guys. Because I might go like here, but the middle might respond. Okay, so VIP. That's it. Ready, get set, go. Mato, you need to be a bit quicker. Okay, in the Cook Highlands, we dance fast, so you need to say it fast. Okay, ready, get set, go. You see, Phoebe's the only one screaming, and she's the head of our volunteers. Don't make her faint, okay? Everybody, Mato. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, see? You were keeping an eye on Auntie. Well done. You get a prize too. All right, I'm going to point. You're going to say your words. Now in beat. You hear that? That's me. I'm multi-talented. Shh, hold on. Actually, we'll clap. Pati, 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 lima, pati, lim. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Faster. Pati. Do. Rima. Hey, in beats. Wayne, is that a thumbs up? Not yet. Okay, we're going fast. I'm waiting for the thumbs up. Then we'll get going. Pati. Hey, it's not about me. Rima. Pati lima. I'm puffed out. Woo! So once again, inangaro mato mataora e means we want everybody happy. So for our last act, to finish us off for today, we want everybody happy, make a lot of noise, clap your hands, and make some noise. And catch your breath for me. All right. We still need some time. Sorry, I didn't mean to breathe that loud in the mic. Sorry about that. Okay, I guess we can change it around. All right, well done. Which school are you guys? Titahi Bay Intermediate. Yeah, all the way from the pa. Let's change it around, okay? You guys can be inangaro. Ready, get set, go. Inangaro. You know when you want to look at your lover and you say, ooh, I love you. You can say, hey, inangaro ya koe, okay? And then you give a wink. That's how the Cook Islanders do it. Okay, you guys be inangaro. You guys be mato, VIP. Mama, my grandmother. Inangaro, mato. You can be mataora. Actually, yeah. Can you say mataora? Thank you once again, Victoria University. And you guys, TBI, you guys be eh. A lot of our Cook Islanders are laughing because is a sister, is a boy. So we won't say we'll say When I point, say your words. VIP, that's only my mom up there that I can hear. Support my mom, she's got a heart problem. Okay, go. Hey, mother dearest, inangaro wasiawan? Pati. Rima. Hey, we can't say eh. All right, everyone, please put your hands together for yourselves. Woo! Yes, we got the thumbs up, everybody. Please make some noise for Rangikura School.
Talofa lava.
Believe in haka.
Maloi lele.
Whakalofa lahi atu.
Kia orana.
Taloha ni. And warm Pacific greetings to you all.
Olo ingoa Levi.
Olo ingoa Honor.
No mai, haere mai ki te Kiwa Nui 2026.
We are the Year 7 and 8 students of Rangikura School Club, and we're excited to share our journey with you.
This year, our journey has been about more than learning songs and dances.
Throughout this journey, we've discovered that culture is more than what we wear.
We've learned that no matter where we come from,
our culture is always with us.
We wear our culture on our backs. We would like to acknowledge and thank our amazing tutors, Etu and Kora, for sharing their knowledge, passion, and guidance with us throughout this journey.
We also thank Breed Music for their support and for helping us bring our performances to life.
Today, every performance is a celebration of identity,
of family,
of belonging,
and the culture that makes our Rangikura whānau so special.
Sit back, enjoy the journey, and celebrate with us.
Chee-hoo!
Family and friends, please make some noise for Rangikura School!
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for